place is so big. The pathway is blocked by blocks. Yeah, she's like toddler age. I'm sure she's not totally diction. So for what? Oh shoot! Looks like we can't get past this block. Slow. Nico. Yeah, you know what? I got nothing to say. You should feel bad. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the narrator. And well, this is May's final resting place. At least we got the sun back. For those of you who don't remember, last time we gave Maze the sun. Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh, yeah. I love these. I love these so much. Friends. Maze. A benevolent and powerful plant spirit acting as a short-term guardian for the glen. The last of her kind, her life force has slowly dwindled in the absence of the sun's light. After all of these cold, hungry years, her only wish was to see the sun once more. I'm glad we could do that for her. I hope she sleeps well. There we go. But now, we have a feather and a bottle of dye, which to me looks like an inkwell and a quill. So wait, actually, can I... Nope. Can I combine these?
Oh yeah, we can use the feather as a pen. I saw it in a picture book once.
Yes. Feather pen. Outstanding. Of course, you're not supposed to, like, dump the bottle afterwards, but whatever. Oh, this doorway is unblocked now. Let's go here. A bed! I really should probably end at all of these, but I haven't looked at a walkthrough, so I don't know where they all are. I don't want any spoilers.
I'm a little tired from walking. Is it alright if I take a nap?
Yeah. And it closes out my game. But then I open it back up. And dream sequence.
Narrator, I had another dream. Did you see this one too?
Yeah.
I was in a big field, like the one in my last dream. And I saw my village. But then I woke up. I don't know if this world has anything like that. I mean, big wheat fields. The only big plants I've seen are a bunch of weird trees. And those balls of moss floating in the water. Wait, is moss even a plant? Say, have you seen a wheat field before, narrator?
Well, as a matter of fact, I have.
Oh, they're really pretty, aren't they? The one around my village goes around for miles. And the plants are really tall. Sometimes I can't even see through them. When it's windy out, the wind can make waves in it. Like an ocean. Of food! Oh wait, but there's food in regular oceans too. Like fish or crabs. I've never actually been to a real ocean until now, actually.
I've been to the ocean. I practically lived underwater for a semester.
That's really cool, narrator. I've only seen the ocean on TV before. I never thought I'd get to ride a boat through one. The water back home doesn't have glowy stuff like how it is here either. I guess it's because this world's already so dark. You know, I used to be scared of the dark, narrator. It's a little hard to imagine it now, after spending so much time here. But not long ago, I couldn't even go to sleep without a lamp.
It's good you got over that.
I guess so. Otherwise, I wouldn't last long here. Then again, I've been carrying around the sun, so it's not too bad. And also, I don't feel scared at all with you guiding me. So, thanks a lot for that. Anyway, maybe we should head out now, narrator.
I suppose it's rather fortunate for this story that I am the narrator. Let me sign your documentation, Robot Man. Have you found something to write with? Oh, yes. I must equip.
I found a pen, sort of.
Good. Please write your name here. Good luck. Oh, we don't get to see our penmanship. Ah, that's fine. Aha, secrets. Unlocked wall, new wallpaper. I don't know if anybody really likes me doing this in the middle of the... I don't know if anybody really likes me doing this in the middle of the thing, but I really want to see the wallpaper. The art here is actually just outstanding. It's so good. Please, please, please. Yes. Oh, I should have used that for my thumbnail. I'm a dumb. Oh, look at that. That's great. Wow. Man, I'm gonna go back and probably retroactively change that thumbnail now. Ah, oh, it's so good. Man, I wish I could. Oh,
What in the world?
Run, 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 run. Run, boy, faster. Okay. Like I was saying, I wish I could draw like this. Man, this is a tonal shift. I hope I didn't miss anything in the last area. Ah, the sun. Hello, Messiah. Welcome to the refuge. Do you understand what you must do here?
I suppose to go inside the tower, right? I already see the tower, so I guess we must be close. Where's the entrance?
On the surface.
The surface?
Look down, small one.
Oh, we're pretty high up. I guess I gotta get down to a lot of stairs. Or find an elevator.
Correct. However, the tower is a sacred place. Finding the entrance may be easy, but that alone will not be enough.
What do you mean?
Once you reach the surface, I recommend visiting the library for leads.
Alright, thank you.
Off you go, then. I wish you luck. Alrighty, well, I'll keep... Afraid this area is off limit for now. Only the bearer of the sacred kernel is permitted to access the garden. I have the sacred kernel?
Oh, like a kernel of corn? I have this. It was left behind by a plant lady in the glen.
That is indeed the kernel. Then it is your duty to regrow her. Do you understand what you must do? Oh, is not an option. No, I don't. Take the seed to the garden. Plant it in a pot in the center. You may now pass through here to access the garden. Yes. Don't worry, Maze. You shall grow anew. Water, 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 water.
Put the seed in the planter. There's no dirt in this pot. Will seed really grow like this?
Well, maybe this tube of water.
I can't just pour water in the seed. I need dirt before I can water it. There's so much dirt outside. Why couldn't I just get some dirt? Do I have anything to get dirt with? Oh, I just have a regular feather now.
Okay, well. Alrighty, I'll be back. Uh-oh. Come on. Wait. This character has a grayed out portrait. I'm gonna choose a voice for this one and guess. Come on! Work already!
Huh? What was that?
Come on. I'm too busy for this.
Excuse me?
Whoa. You're you. Oh, jeez. I didn't think I was gonna run into. This is embarrassing. Is there, anything I can help you with?
Yes, please. I would like to know how to get to the surface.
Yeah, I was afraid you were gonna say that. Right now, the elevator is the only way to get access to the surface, but yeah, just take a look at it.
It looks like an elevator.
Well, you're not wrong, but go look at the button panel.
Huh, there aren't any buttons.
Yep, that's the problem. There's usually a big button here that says ground on it. You know, because it takes you to the ground area. But now it's been ripped out or something. Now it's been ripped out or something? I tried looking everywhere for it to no avail. Maybe it exploded. Whoa.
Do you think we'll have to make a new one?
What? How?
We'll figure it out.
I'm going to go make buttons out of this amber.
If it's been ripped out, how come there aren't any broken wires inside the empty slot?
Well, I'm no engineer, but it's powered by some kind of magnetic technology. I know this much. Oh, so I need to get a magnetic substance. I'll go to that first area. Man, you've got some stompy feet, small child. Got some stompy feet. I'm starting to recognize this area from some of my most cherished memories.
The door is locked from the inside. Lock. Ah. Oh, yeah. A landscape painting. An abstract painting.
Are you an intruder? Because if you are, I, Model 8XM, Home Security Bot Trademark, serial number 3923, 2B839W4, will have to report you.
Oh, sorry. I kind of just walked in because the door was unlocked. Do you want me to leave?
Scanning for suspicious activity. Suspicious activities detected 0.
Well, I guess as long as I don't do anything bad.
Sleep in this bed.
Narrator, someone lives here. You can't just sleep in their bed. It's off. So?
Light bulb.
It's off.
I am still monitoring you. Alert level has been set to low.
Don't worry, I promise I'll be a good guest.
Like a golden retriever. Just, somebody broke into your house? Well, the golden retriever's gonna go ask the intruder for pets.
It's a wall of family photos. Okay.
I thought... Don't rob me of using my goth girl voice.
It's a big penguin plush. Hello, penguin.
Hello. Oh! My sentiments exactly, Nexid. Nico.
It's a pink flower. Someone lives here, we can't just...
Did you know your penguin can talk? Are you into jewelry? Are you into books? Okay, no. Alright, well.
Painting the 4 robots playing cards. A picture of many ones and zeros.
Hello. Would you like to play a game?
Okay. Oh, sure.
What game would you like to play?
Do you know rock, paper, scissors?
Desired difficulty level.
Huh?
Desired duration of turns. Please set your timer.
Never mind. My parents are like literally never home. I don't mind, I'm used to it. Besides, I've got model CWT, 2nd gen unit 4E here to keep me company now. She still talks a little weird sometimes, but that's okay. She's learning. If I worked real hard, she might even be tamed someday. I keep hearing that word. What? Tame? Nobody's told me what it means yet. That's just a robot thing. I can't really explain it either.
Well, I can't do a very good Valley Girl voice, even though I grew up in California.
One of them is a robot instruction manual.
Read it. Read it. I want to know what tamed is.
A picture of Ram wearing a little pink bow.
It's a landscape portrait of the Glen. Yeah. Love them. I just moved here from the Glen. Things are so different in the city. You've been to the Glen, right?
Yeah.
Everything's so green back there. I really miss it. My neighbor gave me some plants to cheer me up, but I'd probably get a muzzle for Betsy here. Beastie, what?
Not much of this plant. The entire plant was eaten. The remains of a potted plant.
Oh, Betsy.
The title is City Life, What to Expect. Something has been chewing on this plant.
Well, one of these things. A Roomba.
Not sure what this is. It's like a little car.
You should ride on it.
What?
Do it. Yeah. Family. Oh, I suddenly get the urge to make a franchise of movies that number in the double digits in terms of sequels. Oh, yeah.
Well, that was fun.
We ride at dawn. That's great.
A potted plant. Potted plant. This one has a pink flower in it.
Alrighty. Is this where I get soil? Be sure not to touch these. These plants have only recently sprouted. It's not easy for a plant to make it out here these days. We got these growing lamps, but they're a poor substitute for the sun.
The pots are labeled with different species names. Oh, the sprouts are stretching towards the sun.
Ha-ha! It's a pothead. Hello there.
You have a lot of plants.
I do. I grew all these myself, you see. Feel free to ask me about them.
Oh, you're a gardener, right?
Yep.
Do you happen to have any dirt? For growing plants, I mean.
Yep. Do you need some?
Yes. I'm supposed to plant this seed left behind by a plant lady, but the pot in the garden doesn't have any soil.
I see. I know who you're talking about, yeah. Here, take this whole bag.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Most of the plants in our world tend to grow in the glen. Even if it's facing flooding issues, it's still better condition than the other two areas. The Barrens is, well, the Barrens. And the refugee city is barely enough ground to stand on, let alone grow stuff. On a larger scale, that is, I mean. Good luck with that seed now.
Oh. Wrong button. Oh, Mason. I forgot the controls. I'm really good at this game. Alright. My bad. A chatty guy with a passion for plants. He owns a small plant shop in the refuge apartment district. Still looks like a refugee for me, but yeah, I think, yeah. District. However, it's mostly just an excuse to do more gardening, as Mason tends to gift almost as many plants as he sells. When it comes to horticulture advice, Mason is the guy to see. A friend of the Watcher, Mason also admires Lamplighter's hard work, and once set him one of his plants as a thank you. Huh. I wonder who the Watcher is. Have we met them? I'm not sure. Well, thanks, Mason. I'm gonna explore the rest of this area first, and then I'm gonna head back to that place.
A coffee machine. It's very warm.
Oh, speaking of things that are warm, it's time for some tea drinking. That's some good stuff. Alrighty.
A pile of large books. They look like phone books. Photograph of the city skyline. Photograph of some buildings. Pile of large books. Some of the pages are dog-eared. A photograph of a factory. Hey there. Hello.
You the Messiah?
Mm-hmm.
I like your scarf.
Thank you. Mama made it for me.
Tell her that I like her needlework.
I will. When I see her again. Hey there.
Hello. Just completely messed up my voices. Oh, wait. Same thing.
Photograph some railings. Pile of large books. Just a trash can. Just a fridge. Fridge has some magnets on it. Maybe they'll come in handy. I hope nobody will mind us taking them.
Yes. Oh, yeah. That's some good stuff. Just make sure not to miss anything in the fridge. Nico, are you hungry? How long has it been since you've eaten?
Photograph of the cafe. Looks like it was a busy day. Busy day. Photograph of the house in Glen. Looks like it was taken when people were still living in the ruins.
Oh boy, I've got 2 objects of importance now. Magnets and dirt. Did I already go down here? I didn't.
A small potted plant.
Whoops.
It's a sink.
Shiny.
It's a pair of scissors on the ground. On a pile of hair? I don't think anyone's using it anymore, so...
So look for somebody with recently cut hair. Got 3 objects now. Did I go down this area already? No, yes, I tried. Yeah, you can never be too sure in these adventure games. Whoops. Gotta get the dirt, put the dirt.
I hope this helps you grow, little seed.
Yes.
The seed's in the soil, but it looks a bit dry.
Well, good thing I have this tube of water.
Good thinking, narrator. We should help the seed grow.
Yes.
The dirt's nice and moist now, but what if it dries out? There's only so much water in it from this little tube. I'll hold on to the tube now just in case.
Well,
We've given it dirt and water, but will that be enough?
well, I hope so. It's time to see some magnetic buttons. Hey, how's it going? I don't think I got your name, but doesn't matter.
That man said something about magnets, but I don't see a way to fit these into.
Oh, hey, how about... how about cutting them with scissors?
I can't combine those.
Well, what about using the scissors?
Been ripped out. How come there are any broken wires in the slot?
Did you cut your hair with these scissors? Well, I'm no engineer, but blah, 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 blah. Alrighty.
Small tree.
Good morning. Well, the time of day isn't really anything now. Without the sun gone, the night never seems to end.
Well, then, how can you tell? Time, I mean.
I have my ways. Particularly mirrors. Oh.
A stapler? It's bolted to the table. All those people stealing staples. Tape dispenser. It's bolted to the table.
Well, what if I had something to take it off the table? We've got a computer terminal. Power machine. Do you have an issue to report?
Yeah, actually, the surface elevator appears to be broken. There's a button missing, but can you take a look?
Leaving this room is not in my programming.
Never mind.
Tape dispenser. Cut off a piece of tape? To keep. It would just lose its stickiness. Oh, okay. I don't think I have anything for that right now.
I've actually never been to a big city before. All these lights, all these people. I guess most of this world's population lives here. It's very different from my village. The village is very small and surrounded by huge fields. You saw a bit of that in one of my dreams from a while ago. The tallest building in our village was only 2 stories tall. What about you, narrator? Where do you live?
Someplace else.
Something that isn't a city or a village? Like a ship? Well, maybe not a ship. Can you imagine living in a city like this, though? I can't. It's kind of scary. But also really cool.